Hey guys, I'm here to show you a really quick tutorial with some of my favorite products. First up, I'm using Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat Pure Luxury Lift. Next, Laura Mercier Eye Basics Primer in Wheat. I use this on my eyelids and underneath my eyes to get a nice even coverage. Next up is Sugar Rose Tinted Lip Treatment. I put this on before I start my look to let it work its magic and treat. Next up, Too Faced Born This Way in Light Beige Foundation. Smashbox Cover Shot Shadow Duo in Golden Eye. I'm using the lighter color on my lids and I apply it with a flat brush. The darker bronzy color goes in the outside corner of my lid, which I apply with a tapered brush, and then I blend it all in with a fluffy brush. Next up is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Rose Gold. I apply this just to my cheekbones and my upper temple area, and then the inside corners of my eyes. Next is the Becca Shimmering Perfector, Laura Mercier Rose Gold Caviar Stick, which I apply just in those places that I want to let a little extra shimmer. Next is the Benefit Gimmie Brow. This is just a sample size, but I will be purchasing a full size because I love it that much. And then at the end, I just go in and add whatever extra foundation I have left on my hand to seal everything in and clean up any fallout that I may have had. I hope you enjoyed this quick look and enjoy this beautiful day. See you later.